Imagine this. The music you're hearing right now wasn't made by a musician, a studio, or even an instrument. It was created entirely by AI. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make your own songs, from chill lo-fi tracks to upbeat pop hits, without knowing a single thing about music production. And here's the crazy part. Not only can you make songs for fun, but you can also make money from them. Yep, YouTube, TikTok, streaming platforms, they all pay for music content. So if you've ever dreamed of being a musician but thought it was too expensive or complicated, this is your chance. Stick with me until the end, because I'll show you step-by-step how to create, use, and monetize AI music. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's start with the magic tools that make all of this possible. The most popular one right now is Suno AI. It's literally trending everywhere. All you need to do is type a short text prompt. If you want alternatives, there's Boomy AI, which is great for quick tracks, and SoundRaw AI, which is amazing for copyright-free background music. But in today's video, we'll focus on Suno, because honestly, it's the easiest, most powerful, and gives you pro-level results. Seriously, you're going to feel like a full-on music producer without even touching an instrument. Sounds crazy, right? Let me show you how it works. Step 1. Go to Suno's website and sign up. Super quick and free to start. Now, here comes the fun part. Writing prompts. For example, you can type a relaxing lo-fi beat for studying at night. But here's a pro tip. You can actually use ChatGPT to generate lyrics for you. Just tell it. Write me a short love song in a happy pop style, and it'll spit out full lyrics. Copy those lyrics, paste them into Suno, choose your style, pop, hip-hop, lo-fi, cinematic. Hit generate and wait. In a couple of minutes, you'll have a complete song with vocals and instruments, ready to download. And yes, it's all copyright-free, so you can use it in your own projects. Like seriously, this is the future of music production. No studio, no instruments, no experience required.
Woke up, sunshine in my eyes, but it's brighter when you're by my side. Every little laugh, every little smile turns my world into a paradise. You're the beat in my heart, the spark in the dark. Every day starts brand new. I just wanna shine, shine with you. Dance all night on the sky.
So now you've got a library of AI-generated tracks. What can you do with them? Idea number 1. Use them in your YouTube videos or shorts. No more copyright strikes. Idea number 2. Add them to TikToks or Reels. Fun, catchy music increases your chances of going viral. Idea number 3. Use them as background music for podcasts, streams, or even your intro-outro. Idea number 4. Sell your tracks on platforms like BeatStars or Fiverr. Tons of creators pay for custom music. Idea number 5. Game developers, YouTubers, and small businesses are always looking for unique music. You can literally become their go-to AI producer. Basically, your songs don't just have to sit on your computer. They can actually work for you, building your brand and even making you money. Let's talk about the money side of things. The music industry is worth billions, and now, thanks to AI, anyone can get a piece of it. Here's how. Upload your AI tracks to YouTube. If your channel grows, you get paid through the partner program. Upload them to Audio Jungle or Pond 5. Every time someone buys your track, you earn, or take commissions. Maybe someone asks for a 30-second intro for their podcast. You just generate it in Suno, deliver, and boom, you're paid. The point is, this isn't just a fun hobby, it's a real business opportunity. And the best part? You only need a laptop and an internet connection to get started. That's the power of AI. It levels the playing field. And that's it, my friends. Making music with AI is not only easy but also insanely powerful. You can create original tracks, use them in your content, and even turn them into income streams. This is literally the future of music, and it's happening right now. So if you're ready to start your AI music journey, give it a try today. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and of course, smash that like button if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.